Hi everyone, I'm Shelly from the blog Confessions of a Closet, and today I'm at the Kazo store and I just went through their collection, and their spring summer collection speaks a lot of colors, trends, and let's take a look. So I have picked up few pieces from the collection which I personally think are they can be my spring summer staple go-to clothes. You can pair it with a t-shirt, you can pair it with a gunji, you can pair it with a sheer shirt, and you'll instantly look glam and casual and chic. It just depends how you style it. Typewriter t-shirt. Okay, so this is there are a lot of neon colors. So you can just wear this t-shirt with your torn denim or your shorts. This is actually the front and this is the back. I really like this the collar detailing that they've given. So it depends on you totally that if you want to wear this as your front or this as your back. We have this floral shirt. This is like a poncho shirt in the floral print and a cutout arm. Told by someone this is Vogue's favorite, so if you follow fashion, you've got to pick this up. This spring summer I'm endorsing a lot of colors, and I'm not at all in favor of wearing the statement LBD to the party. So if you're following, it's going to look great for a party or a girls' night out or a brunch or movie or whatever. We just need to accessorize it according to the event. The studs I'm wearing are also from the Kazo collection. Neon again is another big trend, and this lemon color belt, slim belt, is another accessory that's, I'm sure it can also change the look of the dress completely. As we all know, summer is about running around wearing shorts, sweat, and so much. So I think when you're doing that, you would not want to carry a big bag. So I suggest you this small sling from Kazo. They have another color in this. There's another yellow one. So it just depends on you. My color is blue, so I'm going to pick blue for myself. If you love color like I do, then I think this is another very nice. Throw this on any basic top and it will glam it up instantly. And then there's another chain pendant. This has Aztec print and studs on it. I'm a big fan of stacking. So, this season you can pick up colorful bracelets like I have picked these bracelets from Kazo's accessory collection. Just stack them up, put them together, stack them with your watches or bangles or whatever chunky cuff you have. And I think you look ready to go to any party. So I think this is pretty much my spring summer this year. Sheers, statement accessories, lots of prints, lots of neons and pastels. So I think I'm going to go and grab a few of my favorites from Kazo right now. Take care guys, bye.